Hiya, welcome to our guide where we'll walk you through emailing multiple recipients at once from your Outlook account. Let's get started. Ever wished you could send one email to a bunch of people without the hassle of typing each address individually? Well, with group emails, you can pitch solutions to leads, keep colleagues in the loop, or share brand news effortlessly. First up, contact groups. These are your go-to for sharing conversations, files, and calendars with your crew. Did you know that you can also use them to send group emails? Well, here's how. Sign into Outlook, navigate to People, then go on to New Group, just here, name it, and then Create, easy peasy. Then you can add members. Now that your group is ready, if you want to send an email to everyone in this group, just click on Send Email, just type in your subject and the object of your email and then send it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on mastering Outlook and email productivity. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.